Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you if your laptop or your all-in-one PC, for example, cannot identify your SD card or the EMC card cannot detect it on your laptop. For example, here you can go to your manufacturer website. For example, I'm using HP. Identify your Windows first, select version first, and then submit. And here you can try to search your driver. For example, you can try to download or update your driver here. For example, firmware. Here Samsung firmware and software and utility tools that you can download or update on your laptop in order to the laptop can read your SD card. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the next button below. See you in the next video.